Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Moen Zabelle one-handle pull-down kitchen faucet, a marvel of modern kitchen design. This faucet is equipped with power boost technology, allowing you to enjoy boosted water performance at the push of a button for faster cleaning and filling. The Reflex System ensures smooth operation, easy movement, and secure docking of the pull-down spray head, while the flexible hose offers effortless water delivery and retracts with ease. Installation is a breeze thanks to the Duralock Quick Connect System, and the one-handle lever makes adjusting water flow simple and intuitive. With different stream options, including an aerated stream for everyday cleaning, a boosted rinse, a boosted stream, and a powerful rinse for heavy-duty tasks, this faucet is versatile enough to meet all your kitchen needs. Plus, it comes with a convenient soap dispenser, and its standard design allows for easy mounting on your sink or countertop. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with the Moen Zabelle faucet, transforming your kitchen into a hub of efficiency and elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.